With a month remaining in the MAC baseball season, Toledo's 𝗦𝗽liche has emerged as the leading candidate to win the MAC Freshman of the Year honors. Anthony Wainwright has appeared in 29 of the Rockets' 35 games, starting 23 of them, as his bat has become a major force in the heart of the order.
Pike looking for something he can drive. This one well struck, deep to left field. Johnson going back, looking up, and bounces at the track.
When many first-year players hit the so-called freshman wall, 𝗦𝗽liche has driven right through it. Over the last 13 games, he has raised his batting average from .261 to .344, enjoying multi-hit games in 8 of those contests, scoring 12 runs and driving in 11.
Yeah, so beginning of the season, made a lot of swing changes, was working into some new things, getting used to the new velocity, the off-speed. A lot of pitchers, they got 3 off-speed pitches and they can command them, throw them for strikes. Adjusting to changeup was a big thing for me. So pretty much everything's starting to click at once. Finding my swing, a nice simple short swing, not trying to do too much with the ball and using all sides of the field.
He's always been a very good hitter. I just think he understands what his game is, and he hits the ball to all fields. He handles all pitches extremely well. There's times where he tries to go for the downs and will try to hit one out, but then he understands when he just has to go ahead and take his base hit, and he's really good at that. He's been huge. You know, a lot of his hits have been bunts. I mean, he's got a really good aptitude for the game of baseball, and it's allowed him to excel.
Pike was the Division I High School Baseball Player of the Year for the state of Ohio in 2021, but it wasn't an easy road from White House to Bancroft Street as the pandemic wiped out his junior season.
The whole recruiting thing was a mess. I was playing summer ball, trying to get recruited, stressing over recruiting because at the time they had the ban. There's no D1 coaches that could come out. I'm not even sure D2 coaches could come out. So it was like stressful, the whole thing. A lot of credit to Coach Nell. He helped me with the recruiting and getting me here. So that was a blessing, and I'm just thankful that all worked out.
We do want to recruit Northwest Ohio, and I think since I've been here, we've done a really good job of that with the kids we have on campus right now, but then the kids that are coming down the pike, they're just as good. So it is important, and then when you do have one excel, it really does bring a different, I guess, attention to it because they are a local guy and they're having success at a college, and you know, and 𝗦𝗽iche's a great example of that.
Ryan Steadle sees some similarities between Pike and Chris Myers, who won the MAC Player of the Year last season for the Rockets and is currently in the Detroit Tigers minor league farm system playing at Lakeland.
I think they have the same stature. I just think that Chris filled out over the course of his college career, and I think 𝗦𝗽iche will do the same thing. But you know, their swings are very similar. They both, you know, Chris was amazing at driving the ball the other way, and 𝗦𝗽iche can do that as well, but yet he can pull them into the trees too. So I think that'd be a pretty safe comp. I mean, they're both very talented, athletic infielders that can play all over the field. Chris came here as a shortstop, played some third, ended up at first. 𝗦𝗽iche's played third, he's DH'd, he's played first base. He could probably go to the outfield because he can really run. So, you know, the sky's the limit for him.
I never played third base or first base before coming here, so both of those were unique and new to me. First base has been really fun, though. That's where I played last weekend. It's fun being over there. I catch the ball. They throw it to me, I catch the ball. I try to make plays for them, help them out. So, yeah, it's been fun.